In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a shape in Google Slides transparent. This is a fantastic skill to learn if you're looking to add a bit of creative flair to your presentations, allowing your background images or colors to shine through shapes for a more cohesive and professional look. So, let's dive right in and get started. First off, you'll want to ensure you're logged into your Google account. Head over to Google Drive with your preferred web browser. Once there, sign in by typing in your email address and password, then click Next. Accessing Google Drive is the first step because that's where you'll find Google Slides among your Google suite of tools. Next, navigate to the Google Slides document you're working on. It could be one you've previously created or a new presentation you're starting from scratch. Either way, click on the specific slide within your presentation where you wish to add or modify a transparent shape. Once you're on the desired slide, click on the shape you want to make transparent. If you haven't added a shape yet, you can easily insert one by clicking on the shape icon in the toolbar at the top of the page, then selecting your preferred shape. After placing the shape on the slide, click on it to select it. With your shape selected, look for the fill color icon in the toolbar. It resembles a paint bucket. Click on this to open the color options. Among these options, you'll find transparent. Click on transparent to remove any fill color from your shape, allowing the background of your slide to be visible through it. But what about the border of your shape? You might want to remove or make the border transparent as well for a fully integrated look. To do this, click on the border color tool in the toolbar. It's usually next to the fill color icon. Just like with the fill color, you'll see an option for transparent. Go ahead and click on transparent for the border color as well. Finally, to observe the changes you've made, click anywhere on the slide outside of the shape. This step finalizes the adjustment and lets you see how your shape now effortlessly blends with the slide's background. Whether it's a solid color, gradient, or an image, and there you have it. You now know how to customize your shapes in Google Slides to be transparent, adding a touch of sophistication to your presentations. This technique can be particularly useful for creating overlays, highlighting specific areas of your slide without obstructing the background, or simply making your slide designs more dynamic and visually appealing. Remember, the key to great presentations lies in experimentation and creativity. Don't be afraid to try different combinations of shapes, colors, and transparencies to discover what works best for your specific project. Happy designing!